Test coverage in software development is a quality metric that shows how much of an application's code, features, or requirements are exercised by tests. It helps teams understand whether their testing effort is sufficient to detect defects early. By making testing gaps visible, test coverage highlights areas of higher risk. This introduction to test coverage explains why it matters for building reliable software. At its core, test coverage answers how much of the system is executed when tests run. It can apply at different levels such as unit, integration, and system testing. Higher coverage usually means more code paths are tested, but it does not automatically guarantee better quality. The value comes from combining coverage with meaningful test validation. There are multiple types of test coverage used in software development. Code coverage measures which parts of the code are executed by tests, while requirement coverage checks whether each requirement has at least one test. Functional coverage focuses on whether all user-facing features are tested. Each type provides a different view of software quality. Code coverage itself includes several measurements. Line coverage checks whether each line of code runs during testing, while branch coverage ensures all decision paths are tested. Condition coverage focuses on individual logical conditions. These metrics help teams find untested logic that could cause hidden defects. Test coverage is especially important in agile and continuous delivery environments. Frequent changes increase the risk of regression, and good coverage helps teams release with confidence. Automated tests with strong coverage act as a safety net. Coverage reports also guide teams on where new tests are needed. However, test coverage has limitations. A high percentage does not mean the software is defect-free. Tests can execute code without properly checking results, giving a false sense of security. Test quality and clear assertions are just as important as coverage numbers. Test coverage also helps manage technical debt and improve maintainability. Low coverage often points to complex or risky areas of the codebase. Increasing coverage in these areas makes refactoring safer. Over time, this leads to more stable and easier to maintain software. In conclusion, test coverage is a valuable metric for understanding how well software is tested. It supports early defect detection, safer releases, and long-term code health. While it should not be used alone, when combined with high-quality tests, test coverage plays a key role in delivering dependable software.